Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Shopify store to another theme using ThemeKit, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your Shopify store to another theme using ThemeKit, ensure you have ThemeKit installed on your computer.
Open your terminal or command prompt.
Navigate to your Shopify store's root directory. Use the command theme-get followed by the theme ID to download the existing theme files. You can find the theme ID in your Shopify admin under Online Store and then Themes. Once the files are downloaded, create a new directory for your new theme. In the terminal, navigate to this new directory. Use the command theme init to set up your connection to Shopify for the new theme. Follow the prompts to enter your Shopify store URL and API password. After setting this up, your new theme is ready for development. Next, copy the downloaded files from your existing theme into the new theme directory. Make any necessary changes to the theme files to match your desired design and functionality.
To upload the new theme to Shopify, use the command theme deploy.
This command will push your changes directly to your Shopify store.
Once the deployment is complete, return to your Shopify admin. Navigate to Online Store and then Themes. Locate the new theme you just deployed.
Preview the theme to ensure everything appears as expected.
If satisfied, publish the theme to make it live on your store. For ongoing development, continue using ThemeKit to sync changes as needed.
That's how you transfer your Shopify store to another theme using ThemeKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.